Hello, boys and girls. It's Teacher Maral, and I thought it would be terrific for us to spend some time together to read a book this afternoon. We're all at home trying to stay safe and be considerate of others. And actually, it's a really good opportunity to spend some time with Mommy and Daddy and our sisters and brothers, right? So today, I wanted to talk about the special little insect that is actually one of my favorites, and it's from the beetle family, and you will in the next couple of months see lots of them flying around, and usually they are red, but we can also see them in sometimes being orange or yellow. I'll give you one more clue and see if you can guess what beetle I'm talking about. They usually have black little tiny dots on them. And they're really harmless. And they're really pretty to look at. Who's guessed it so far? What insect am I talking about? That's right. It's a ladybug. So the book that I brought with me today is called Ladybugs. This book was written by the author by the name of Mia Posada. And the title of the book is Ladybugs, Red, Fiery, and Bright. Little round beetles with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers in pots. It's pretty, huh? They are called ladybugs. A crawling ladybug tickles your arm, but this little insect will cause you no harm. You see? The little ladybug is crawling on the little girl's arm. They are busy searching for food to eat. Tiny green insects called aphids taste sweet. See the little green insects? Right there, right there. They're walking around, and that's what the ladybug is looking for. A ladybug may flee in fear from a hungry bird landing near. Must be, huh? They're so big. But eating a ladybug is a waste to birds. They have a terrible taste. So birds don't like ladybugs. Well, they're lucky, aren't they? When a female ladybug has eggs to be laid, she finds a safe place on a leaf in the shade. In 5 days, the yellow eggs will turn white. The hatching day is now within sight. Look at these yellow eggs that the ladybug just laid. In 5 days, they're going to turn white. Let's see what happens next. Tiny creatures climb out from the creamy white eggs. They have hairy, gray bodies and long, skinny legs. You see them? They are called larvae. Hungry larvae search for food right away. They can eat 100 aphids a day. Wow, that's a lot. Eating 100 of them, being a baby? A larva's skin cannot stretch. And since this is so, it must shed its old skin in order to grow. This is called molting. You see? That's the old skin, and now something else. Let's find out. Its skin splits apart, the larva wiggles free. Its new larger skin fits more comfortably. See? When a ladybug larva is almost full grown, it attaches itself to a plant or a stone. It molts one last time the skin it outgrew. When it emerges, it has become something. It's a pupa now. The pupa is covered by a tough orange skin. It hides the changes taking place within. So we don't know what's going on inside. Its worm-like body is rounding out. You see, it's getting bigger. Its coat becomes smooth. Tiny wings sprout. In 5 days, the pupa's shell starts to crack. You see, it's cracking. A beetle crawls out with no spots on its back. You see? We don't see any spots. Soon, black spots come into sight. The yellow coat turns into red, fiery, and bright. See? The new ladybug spreads its wings out to dry. A few hours pass, then it's able to fly. Its spotted wing covers move off to the sides. It beats its wings and it glides. See? The new ladybugs with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers and pots. The end. I hope you had fun with story time today. See you next time.